Welcome to KSIS Academy. And now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 23rd December 2021. United Nations Security Council adopts resolution to ease Afghans' assistance. So, United Nations Security Council is one of the organs of United Nations, one of the 6 organs of United Nations, and it is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. So, the United Nations Security Council unanimously passed a resolution permitting a carve-out and sanctions against the Taliban to facilitate the delivery of humanitarian aid to Afghanistan. So, Afghanistan ki humanitarian aid provide cheyadaniki United Nations Security Council members anni kuda Taliban ki against ga unna sanctions anni teeseyalani decide ayyaru. Maharashtra government's Shakti bill seeks death sentence for rape. The Maharashtra government's Shakti Criminal Laws Bill 2020 on crimes against women and children has recommended capital punishment in rape cases. So, time limit of 30 days to complete the probe since the day of registration of the complaint that has put onus on social media platforms as well as internet data, providing companies to share data for police investigation. So, Maharashtra Assembly Criminal Laws Bill 2020 passed against crimes against women and children, and this law it recommends capital punishment in case of rape and to complete the investigation within 30 days of complaint registration, and social media platforms and internet data providing companies మీద కూడా ఇది responsibility ఇచ్చింది in order to provide data for public police investigation. The bill was sent to the joint committee in a budget session of the assembly for scrutiny and is likely to be passed in this winter session. The bill has also made provision of minimum 1 year to maximum 3 years of imprisonment and 1 lakh in fine on those who make false complaints of sexual assault. So, sexual assault false complaint is na prati okkarki kuda 1 to 3 years maximum imprisonment and 1 lakh fine untundi. Changes to marriage age will contradict other laws. The amendments proposed to the anti-child marriage law defines a child as someone under the age of 21 and contradicts laws where the legal age of competence is recognized as 18. So, central government has recently passed a bill where a child is considered, anyone below the age of 21 is considered a child according to anti-child marriage law. But e law అనేది ప్రతి లా ఏదైతే కంపిటెన్స్ ఏజ్ని 18గా రికగ్నైజ్ చేస్తుందో వీటన్నిటికీ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ అవుతుంది. And the Prohibition of Child Marriages Bill 2021, it seeks to raise the age of marriage for women to 21, and it defines child as a male or female who has not completed 21 years of age. And it also overrides the personal laws of Hindus, Christians, Muslims, and Parsis, as well as the Special Marriage Act 1941. Security and Exchange Boards of India curb on future trade in farm goods threatened food supply chain. So, SEBI is a statutory body and it has been established in the year 1992, and its main aim is to protect, promote, and protect, regulate security markets of India. So, SEBI recently it cut down the trade in certain goods such as soybean, edible oils, wheat, rice, chickpeas, etc. So, ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల ఇది రిస్క్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ టూల్స్ యొక్క యూసేజ్ని నారో చేసేస్తుంది, అండ్ దీనివల్ల డొమెస్టిక్ మార్కెట్స్లో వోలటాలిటీ కూడా పెరుగుతుంది అండ్ ఇంపోర్ట్ కూడా లిమిట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ రీజనల్ ప్రాసెస్ ఎవరైతే ఫార్మర్స్ నుంచి క్రాప్స్ కొంటారో వీళ్ళు కూడా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతారు, యాజ్ దే విల్ నాట్ రిసీవ్ ఎనీ అడ్వాన్స్ సేల్స్ త్రూ ఫ్యూచర్ కాంట్రాక్ట్స్. Thank you.